Hi, welcome to Miniocalypse. I'm Jamie. Today, just a few more updates, what's going on with the channel, a few things I'd like to tell you guys, and just keep you updated. So we're going to get right to it. Please stick around, only a couple minutes of your time. Right on. Here we go.
Alright, first, I would like to thank everyone who entered in my giveaway celebrating 300 subscribers. And congratulations to Mason Hedge, the winner of a $30 gift certificate to Hoard Games. You can check out Hoard Games' web store in the link provided below in the description. There will be more giveaways and special offers in the future, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to stay in the loop. Second piece of news. Recently, I was interviewed by Heath Aldrich from Hobby Time in the Murder Basement. There's a link to the video here in the top right, as well as in the description below. Heath is a talented artist using his unique interview skills and the power of YouTube to interview many well-known names in the miniatures and tabletop community. I was amazed and honored to be among these epic names. Not only does Heath do great interviews, he also paints some amazing miniatures and busts, and offers quality conversation and entertainment live on Twitch. You can find his links to Twitch and YouTube below in the description. Okay, third piece of news. If you've been subscribed to this channel, or follow me on social media, you may well know I recently did a collaboration with some fellow YouTube creators. Each of us rescued miniatures in some way and repainted them to raise funds for charity or help someone in some way. I am pleased to announce, with a starting bid of 50 cents on eBay, the miniatures I repainted sold for $13. A huge thank you to Samuel Schmitz for your donation to the Game Academy. In total, I donated $30 to the Game Academy, and Sam himself made a separate donation to them. And on top of that, Nate from Nate's Miniatures chose to paint a mini to support them as well. I just wanted to thank you guys. Thanks Samuel, thanks Nate for all your support. And now, on to another topic. This is a little sad, but there is a bright side. The MacBook I use to do the editing for these videos is starting to fail. I have, however, purchased a new PC from my friends at CyberPower. In the meantime, while I wait for the PC to be delivered and save for more equipment, video content from me will be severely hindered. But I ask you to please stick with me and all will return to normal. I will, however, continue to stream live on Twitch. My link is below in the description, and post to social media as well as my Patreon. I do have my Patreon page set up. It is still a work in progress, but if you would like to support me, it would be a great help in speeding up the process of improving this channel, as well as gaining a couple perks. There are plenty of options in the tiers, which I might add are still a work in progress. But maybe you can help me smooth all that out. But enough of that. Have you been enjoying the zombie painting going on in the background while I chat away? This was painted live on Twitch, and I also have a video planned for the painting of the zombies the way I have here. There is a little something to look forward to. Another future project, another great video planned. Now, once again, I would like to thank my Patreons, Jeff C., who has been my #1 supporter since day one on all platforms. Please check out his Facebook page, Tiny Monsters, link below, and An Lee, my top supporter, whose funds have helped a lot over the months, and I am currently working on this Kings of War Goblin Slasher from Mantic Games for their personal army. Also, a huge thank you to the Game Academy, who have taken the time to speak with me and helped promote my video for the auction. They were just amazing guys, amazing fellers. You guys are doing great stuff. I can't wait to get involved once I have some more time. Okay, and back to business. I will continue to film and work hard on my projects and be prepared for a strong comeback with plenty of good content thoroughly planned, like the zombie mentioned before, as well as these miniatures here that I won in a giveaway myself from Mini Wizard Studios. Thank you so much, Mini Wizard Studios, for running this giveaway, and honestly, first giveaway I've ever won. So, cannot wait to paint these. Anyways, I digress. And I would like to remind everyone that no matter how hard we work for the things we want or how much time we put into a project, please don't forget we all need a moment to enjoy life.
Alright, so that was most of the news. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just want to touch a few things. I do have some more large zombies I 3D printed. Gonna get a plan for them going. Something solid for video once things are back to running. If you're curious, currently painting this 3D sculpt from Mr. McAngry's. I touched on this in a earlier video. Painting that live on Twitch. If that's something you'd like to see go down, focusing on AM in the mornings. Yeah. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Anywhere from 9 a.m. Central Time to 10 a.m. Central Time, give or take. So join me for Mornings with MiniAclypse. We'll have some coffee, paint some miniatures, hopefully see everyone there to chat. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, fight the Great War, paint them minis.